Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Tutorials by Shanto Apps. Please subscribe now. For on-demand tutorials, please comment. More tutorial videos are coming soon. Get notifications by subscription. Thank you. In this video, I will explain how game data can be transferred from client to server. I have prepared a demo for this, and let's concentrate on the demo first. I have prepared a headless smooth server made in Unity, and which is in the upper part of the video, and two clients which is in the down part of the screen. When a card is played, the data is transferred through UNet implementations. So it's a TCP channel, a TCP protocol, and the data goes through the network to the server. Server then decides what to do with that. In this case, it gets the data, determines which other players connected in this room, and forwards it to them. In case of robot, it also forwards it to the robot. It depends on your logic how you want to do it. I treated robot in the same way as in the server side logic. We'll come to that point in future. So now in this case, J is played, and this J is transferred to the server. And when a robot plays, then this data is transferred to two clients connected with this. So what is the theory behind it? Let's concentrate on the theory part of this video. As I said, the topic of this video is game data transfer from client to server. It is used Unity Engine networking, which is in short UNet. I would mention in this point, UNet is depreciated. You can see in the Unity website why it is depreciated, what will be affected, and how long it will be supported. So if you are using 2018.4 Unity editor and 2019 for up to 2022, you need not to worry about it. And I'm quite sure in that point of time there will be migration possibilities. And I also need to do migration for my own app. I'm using 2018.3. At this point, I'm not worrying about the depreciation. So up to 2022 we can still use it, and then there will be some way, and I will make videos how to migrate it. Now if we use this, there is a network client in that assembly, and it offers us a method send. There are two properties. One is message type. I have used card played client send event, which has a unique value, integer value, so to say. Is a short 17,000, and the message is the object, the class, the game object you want to transfer. We can see the picture now. As you can see here, some cross underline, which is the indication is a depreciated class, but don't worry about it. A class can have multiple properties. It can also contain complex types, like you define your own class type, and this can have array of cards as well, which completely goes through the network. So we need not to care about serialization, deserialization. What we need to do in the client side: when a card is clicked, following method is called: card played client send. This is, I wrote it in later, I will show in debug mode. Client side code prepares data to send the server, and then we need to call client.send, which with a unique event number and the object that I showed you just earlier. Now check the picture 3. In picture 3, we can see client.send. There should be an even number as a first parameter. Second parameter is the class, is the object itself, and you can check if the client is connected, then only send, otherwise reconnect and send it again. This is simply like this. And in the server side, we need to register a handler for that unique message type. And handler, you can see how it can be registered. It should say network server register handler. This is the event, and this is the server side method name. So the second part in the server side is write the method server side with server side logic, whatever you want to do with that method when the data comes to server. In this case, card plate handler server, which takes the object and cast it to the class. And now you have the data. We have the data, and we are free to do server side logic. Let's check in debug mode. So when this card is played 7, I have in my method card 7. I continue, and this method is in server side, and in the card object you can see class 7. Data is sent to server, and the message type is here 70,000. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe now. See you next time. Bye bye.